Government High School salutes the martyrs of Kargil War on the 25th anniversary of Kargil Vijay Divas. ये लग रहा है
like if you want to send some images, text, audio, visuals, this mobile tower helps to transfer the to other cities.
ये एक स्टार टोपोलॉजी है और मैश टोपोलॉजी है। स्टार टोपोलॉजी में एक सर्वर होता है, एक स्विच होता है और बाकी क्लाइंट्स होते हैं। मेन ये दोनों होते हैं। सर्वर सारा डाटा स्टोर करता है सारे कंप्यूटर्स का, और सर्वर फिर सारी कमांड जो वो डाटा होता है स्विच को सेंड करता है, और स्विच इंटेलिजेंटली सबको सेंड कर देता है। और फिर आते हैं हम मैश टोपोलॉजी पे। मैश टोपोलॉजी में सारे कंप्यूटर्स एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड होते हैं और सर्वर भी उनके साथ कनेक्टेड होते हैं, जैसे गूगल का।
And I'm from 9th class 9B Vedika. Today we are presenting our models as smart home, the Internet of Things. As soon as you can see the layout of the device, this is our personal layout, smart home. The IoT refers to Internet of Things. Internet of Things is a network of devices that have an embedded hardware and software to communicate. Like you can see in AC we have a chip. The chip have some program code in it, and the chip program code in it. It is connected with our house Wi-Fi. You can access the control with your smartphones, and the same applications are downloaded in our phone. That makes a home very beautiful. So we give him name smart home. You can see there is a bungalow. When there is a small farm and a solar energy system. You can also see there is no light coming.
बहुत बढ़िया। यस, आप क्या कर रहे हैं बेटा? रीडर्स।
May I ask?
यस।
What has many rings but no fingers?
What has many
Rings but no fingers.
लेडी फिंगर? नहीं, रिंग्स होने चाहिए उसमें,
But no fingers.
फिंगर नहीं है। क्या?
Cell phone.
अच्छा,
रिंग
सेल फोन।
Because what starts with T, ends with T, and has T inside.
एंड्स विद टी।
Starts and ends with T, and T has T inside it.
टी से ही शुरू हो रहा है, टी बीच में है और टी से ख़त्म हो रहा है।
टीपॉट।
टीपॉट।
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
This is a type of technology called e-commerce. E-commerce is referred to as buying or selling stuff through online or website. This is example of a e-commerce called Flipkart. This is a Flipkart website. It is also example of a e-commerce. When you order something from online, the pickup guy will take your package and deliver to your resident houses. This is also example of Amazon. Amazon warehouse.
Very good बेटा। वेब स्टोर्स, मोबाइल ऐप, अमेज़न, मार्केट प्लेस।
There is a public what they want and target their capable audience. There are various methods of advertisement. There were traditional methods such as TV ads and newspaper ad advertisements. They were back in the 90s. In today's world, many new startups are evolving. So there are new methods of advertisement such as social media PR. We have seen people promoting, influencers are promoting online brands on their social media accounts. It's a new way to cater their new audience, upcoming audience. Situation of disasters such as floods or fire forest. So business needs the insurance to save itself from any huge loss upcoming. Insurance provides a compensation in a situation of disaster. In case of a businessman gives a premium. So
Yes, what is this?
Good morning, ma'am. I am representing FASTag
So on this corner we have
of the traditional method or
So
international
warehouse is an
method.
establishment
First
where
of all,
the
when
produced goods are
traditional
stored.
FASTag is
It
were
removes
used,
the,
it takes
hindrance
more time
of
and there were
time.
long queues.
By storing
But
the goods
when
and
the
services
FASTag was
facilitating
introduced
its
in toll
supply
tax,
to the market
it
when at the right time.
takes less time and there are no queues. So FASTag is the prevention of the long queues.
Very good. फास्टैग जो मतलब हम गाड़ियों से पहले पैसे देते थे, अब पैसे नहीं देने पड़ते और बैंक से ही पैसे कट जाते हैं। गुड गुड।
टाइम भी लगता है, लॉन्ग क्यूज भी कम होती है।
Ma'am, this is a project of e-learning. So we are having two classroom. One is medieval classroom and one is modern classroom. Whereas modern classroom has more benefit than medieval classroom because students get attracted from new softwares, gadgets like phone, tablets, laptop, etc. And from animated things they get more attracted and they learn more from now that from animated thing children learn more because they are attracted and they gain more learning from this. So this is best from the medieval
आपको ऐसा नहीं लगता कि जैसे ये एक्स्ट्रा मार्क्स जैसी चीज़ें हैं ये बस आधुनिक स्कूलों में ही होती हैं, अब गरीब बच्चे तो इस चीज़ को नहीं ले सकते ना?
Ma'am, but the government is also providing them more facilities like tablets.
Good.
And they are using benefits of that also.
In which there were long queues in which we had to stand. It was a hectic work which required a lot of paperwork. But now in the modern method of banking, we are able to withdraw and deposit money in very lesser times with a very less queues and a very less paperwork.
Good.
Good morning, sir, and good morning, ma'am. So as you have seen so many uses of technology, and along with that we have to secure it also. So for that we have this firewall and this antivirus. The use of firewall is that it prevents your device and server from entering of any unauthorized user and hacking it. And the use of antivirus is that it checks and scan your devices regularly, and it prevent any unauthorized user from entering it.
Could hack our devices to steal our information. So I'm going to present a model of network security so that you could acknowledge how important it is. In this model, S represents the sender, T represents the security related transformation, and R represents the receiver. When a sender creates a message, it is a plain text. It is converted into ciphertext or a secured message by encryption. This message travels on the internet freely. When the receiver receives this message, it is converted into plain text again by decryption. This process is taken so that you could just control hacking or avoid hacking.
The sender sends a message hello to WhatsApp, and when it reaches the WhatsApp network, it gets automatically converted into an unreadable code. And if any hackers want to read the message, he will be unable to read the message. Then when the message reaches the receiver, it automatically gets decrypted into hello. Thank you.
We have made NIO to collect potentially harmful materials on the ground. To achieve this, we have equipped NIO with a small ring-like magnet in front of it, attached the magnetic materials to it, and it attracts the material which we throw down by mistaken, and it helps in attracting that.
Using internet, and we should need a data here what is the digital footprints. A digital footprint is the information about a person that exists on the internet. Your digital footprint, your online social, or what digital footprint does the same say about you. Be careful what you share, where you share, or whom you share. It's a cybercrime. Method of the cybercrime that encountered most of they are hacking, phishing scam, virus, cyberbullying, phishing chats, or banking frauds. Or cybercrime is a criminal activity that use internet often within the internet of gaming, money, or personal information. Thank you.
Information security क्या मतलब है इसका?
You have to spin this wheel, the letter will come, and I'll explain about the thing in iPad. Watch out for online scams. You should watch out for the online scams. Like these days, we are getting links from unknown users and emails and videos of like vouchers that you want this, win this, win this. We should watch out that we should not click on unknown links, otherwise our phone may get hacked, our information may get
बहुत ही बढ़िया बेटे, बहुत अच्छा बनाया ये।
The processors which work inside the computer, these are also called the brain of the computer, which we known as a CPU. And this is the Intel Core processor, which is the latest generation to the first generation, at least 14th generation, which is the fastest one. And these two are the AMD processors. AMD processors have pins on them, and the Intel processors don't. AMD processors, this is the weakness of them, that they have pins. If the pins get bent, they stop working. Then we have the hard disk ID. Hard disk ID was the first hard disk which used to read data from this CD, which rolls, and this is the reader which goes onto this CD and runs the data. Then there is the hard disk with SATA 1, which solves this problem of the pins, but the inside of them is the same. And then is the SSD, which we use mostly